Take it from a fellow lazy gal. Working from home can bring out the best in people, but it can also bring out the worst. Not that I have anything against starting work at 2 p.m. in your dressing gown, because guilty as charged, but sometimes we need to learn how to pull it together, and quickly. So because a lot of you guys are working and studying from home, and I have been working and studying from home for about 2 years now, I thought I would share some of my tips and tricks in how to make yourself go from 0 to 100. Actually, take that back. Zoom in high definition. 0 to about 70 in under 10 minutes. So if you would like to learn how to trick your colleagues into thinking you've been working really, really hard and haven't actually just been binge watching Tiger King for the last 7 hours, keep on watching. So step 1 is something that you can incorporate into your day every single day and isn't actually part of the 10-minute timer we got going on here. A change in routine will almost always show in your skin. So even though it doesn't feel like too much of a change just being at home, you might be breaking out and wondering why. So disclaimer, we are going to pretend that I did this the night before because these products are best used on a fresh face. But I have been trying out a new acne brand over the last couple of weeks called TBH Skincare. And I'm first of all going in with the Acne Hack Cleanser to cleanse my face of any impurities. So TBH is a medically backed topical treatment for acne without the side effects of prescription medications, which is amazing. And I have been loving this cleanser because it leaves my skin feeling super fresh and is really gentle. Next up is the Acne Hack Face Cream. So TBH stands for the biofilm hack because it works by disrupting the biofilm, which is the key to treating acne-causing bacteria in the skin. The brand's messaging around acne and its effects on self-esteem and mental health are so relevant, and you can find a link to their website and socials in the description box down below. My second tip is to pop your hair into a ponytail. A ponytail combined with some dry shampoo is honestly going to be your savior when it comes to pulling yourself together quickly. There's just something about pulling your hair back tight that makes you look like you have your shit together, and for that, I am very thankful. The dry shampoo will add a bit of volume and bounce to the pony, whilst the slick back look will hide any oiliness. And the higher and the tighter it is, the more you get an instant facelift. What's not to love? So we're going to keep the makeup super simple, remembering that in a Zoom conference you're usually just like a little tiny box in the corner. It isn't like in 4K definition. I'm actually using my fingers a lot in this because I just feel like it happens a lot quicker. For foundation, I'm going in with one of my favorites from Rimmel. As I said, Zoom isn't in HD and I am trying to genuinely do this under 10 minutes. So I warn you, this look will not be perfect. Don't feel like you have to go for a full face of foundation at all. Don't feel like you need foundation at all. You can just go in with a little bit of concealer and pop it in the areas that you need it. When in a rush, I tend to concentrate mainly on my under eyes and covering any major blemishes with concealer. I'm not too worried about setting it all in place for a Zoom call, but hiding the evidence of Easter chocolate breakouts and dark circles is a must for me. For bronzer, any bronzer will do, but we're doing this quickly, so I think we need to be a little bit light-handed on it. I'm actually going in with this stick one because I think it's super easy to blend out and looks really, really natural. So I am just taking this contour stick and lightly creating a bit of depth to my face by blending it out with a beauty blender. I am also using more glowy products rather than powders for this look, as I want to look fresh and glowing. I'm also going to go in with a tiny little bit of highlighter, but this is of course up to you. If you have slightly more oily skin, you might not need highlighter at all. Also, just adding a tiny bit of highlight to the inner corners of your eye will help to open the eyes more and make you appear more awake. For brows, I'm not going in too intense, but I am just filling in the ends to give them a stronger shape. And the pencil I am using is by Maybelline. Brows really do shape your face, and if someone's going to notice that you look a little bit different, it's going to be because your brows aren't done. So I would 100% recommend you don't forget to do your brows if you normally do. So when it comes to eyes, I think just do whatever you normally would do, feel comfortable with. If you do wear mascara, pop a coat of mascara on. Mascara is a massive factor when it comes to looking awake versus just rolled out of bed. Try not to worry about getting it too voluminous or perfect, but definitely don't skip this step. If you usually wear eyeliner and you're running out of time and don't have time to really be precise and get that eyeliner correct, I would recommend using a shadow powder and just blending it into the outer corners of your eyes a little bit in the shape of a eyeliner. It's just a much more gentle and quick and easy way. And finally, I'm just going in with a natural coloured lipstick because I am running out of time. However, if you do have a few minutes extra, a bolder colour will definitely give the impression that you have your life together. Now it is time for the very last thing, and that is the clothes. Just remember, you only have to dress the top. As you can see, I've gone for just a little simple black top. Of course, once again, this really depends on what type of work you do and what sort of clothes are appropriate. If you do want to look extra professional, just a simple blazer will do wonders. As you can see, I'm putting on this checkered one here. A black one really looks super professional if you're like a lawyer or something like that. This is me pretending I'm a businesswoman. So yeah, that is your look done, and just don't forget to not stand up during your call because everyone will see that you're wearing boxer shorts. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was sort of like a relevant thing at the moment and that you might enjoy. I would love to hear about your Zoom activities down in the comments below, and I will see you guys very, very soon with another video. Have a lovely day. Oh, big yawn. No. Say hello. You're so big now.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can